Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about stroke. So let's go to our layer 0 here and double click on FX. Okay, and the nice thing about this is you can just uncheck these here, or what I can do is hit OK and just turn off the eye for bevel and emboss. And that'll disable that effect. Okay, then if I double click on FX again, now I can go in and play with the stroke and see what that does. Okay, so you can mess with the size. Probably right there. The position, outside, inside, center. The blend, you can do normal, dissolve, darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color, lighten, screen, color dodge, linear dodge, lighter color, overlay. These are all different blend modes. So hue and saturation, color, luminosity, divide, subtract, exclude, difference, etc. Okay. Fill type, like I said, you could do color, gradient, or pattern. There's gradient and then pattern right there. So I'm going to leave it on color, and let's do kind of like a yellow. Okay. Here's the other cool thing, is if I click on new style, we can actually make this layer effect a style. So what it's going to do is it's going to save in the style section. So if I do cool effect, right, I name it that, hit OK. Click on window and go to styles. I'm going to hit OK here. Then when I click here, cool effect. And it's already here too, cool effect. So as you build out effects, you'll be able to save them to the styles panel. Now if I turn on bevel and emboss, now we have both effects running here. So I'm going to do file save. That was the wrong thing. I'm going to do file save. There we go. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.